In today's video, I'm going to teach you Hostinger VPS, how to generate and add SSH keys and connect remotely using Terminal. Let's get started by opening your Hostinger account. Head into your VPS, then go to the Administrator section. From there, open Settings, find the SSH area, and choose Add SSH Key. Keep this page open. We'll come back to paste the key in a moment. Now switch to your computer's terminal. We're going to run the exact command Hostinger suggests on that SSH page to generate a new SSH key pair on your machine. You'll see an option to customize the label or email that appears alongside the key. You can leave it as provided for this tutorial or adjust it to something meaningful to you. Paste the command into your terminal and press Enter. When you're prompted for a passphrase, set one you can remember. For security, make it strong and avoid anything obvious. Confirm the passphrase when asked. In a moment, your system will create a public and a private key. Next, we need to copy the public key. Use your terminal to display the contents of the newly created public key file. Then select and copy the entire key. Make sure you copy it exactly as shown from start to finish, without extra spaces or line breaks. This is the piece that you'll add to Hostinger. Never share your private key. Go back to the Hostinger SSH section and paste the public key into the field provided. Give it a clear name. Something like Tutorial 2 works well, so you can recognize it later. Save your changes. At this point, the server knows your public key and will trust connections from your computer's matching private key. To connect, return to the VPS overview page in Hostinger. Copy the SSH connection string you see there. This is the one that includes your server's IP and username. Paste it into your terminal and press Enter. The first time you connect, you'll be asked to confirm the server's fingerprint. Type yes to continue. When prompted, enter the passphrase you set for your SSH key. If everything matches, you'll be logged in and working directly on your Hostinger VPS from the terminal. That's it. You generated an SSH key pair, added the public key to Hostinger, and connected securely using the terminal. If this walkthrough helped, stay tuned for more content on cloud tools and web hosting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.